I am continuing to work on my entryway, but in this video, I am participating in the International Fall Wreath Challenge. So I'm going to hang a wreath on this mirror. But before we get into that, if you're new to my channel, I'm Denise Jordan, and I teach women to make wise home health and beauty decisions. So if you want to learn more about running a household, subscribe. Or if you want to see videos about products that can benefit you in your home, subscribe, because I do videos on those topics all the time. So hit that subscribe button and tap that little bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Okay, so as I continue to try to make my home welcoming for fall, I like to have the entryway on point because that's the first thing people see when they come into your home. Now, there's some things they see out on the porch before they get in the door, but once the door is open, what they see is your entryway. And I like to make that as welcoming as possible. So in part one of this video, I used this lantern here to decorate this space. And I've not used a lantern in this space before, and I'm really pleased with the little ambiance that it adds. And even with the lights off, that little candle that I have burning in there just adds just the right effect, the right welcoming effect that I wanted it to have. And I decorated this portion of the entryway as part of a collaboration with Kenya at Kenya's Decor Corner. If you missed that video, I will link it above and link it below so that you can check it out. And I will also link Kenya's Decor Corner as well, so you can check out her channel. So now let's see what we're going to do with this. I've got this wreath right here that I want to hang on this mirror. And I chose this particular wreath because it's pretty open right here. I like all of the fall florals that are down here, but I like the fact that this opens so you can still see some of the glass and some of the light can shine through. And the nice thing about this mirror is that when this light is on, you get a nice little reflection. So, I'm going to hang it like right here in the center of this mirror is where I want it to go. So I had the hubby put a little hook on here for me that I can hook it behind the mirror. So let's get that done. Now I'm just going to fluff these leaves up because they've gotten just a little bit mushed while they were packed away for the winter or the summer or for the seasons, whatever. But they got mushed or smushed while they were packed away. So let's fluff them up a little bit. And I'm thinking one of my pine cones is missing. And I can't seem to find it. Okay, so I'm really liking the way that wreath looks, and let's turn the light on. So when I turn the light on, it's really bright. So this will be really welcoming when people come into the house. And I'll back you up so you can get a look at the whole piece. But I'm loving the sign up above that says you had me a pumpkin spice. And the orange and whites in the sign. Pick up the oranges in this wreath. And then, of course, you've got, it comes on down here to the table now. And it just all works together. So I'm really pleased with the way things worked out. So I'm really pleased with the way this entryway turned out, and I will pull the camera back so that you can see it, but I want to take this opportunity to thank my friends who hosted the International Wreath Challenge, and I had to get my notes out so that I could make sure that I got everybody's name that was in it. So the International Wreath Challenge was hosted by my little sister Moondoss at Life Handmade, Pat from Style with Pat, Yanni and Diane from Deco Easy, Michelle from Michelle's Glam Home, Ruth from Kentucky Fried Fun, and Kiki from Kiki's DIY. And when I say this was an international group, this is an international group, and we are truly an international community. Moomdas is in New Delhi, India. Pat is from Singapore. Yanni and Diane are in the Netherlands. Michelle from Shell's Glam Home is in Australia. Ruth is in the USA in Kentucky. And then Kiki from Kiki's DIY is in Puerto Rico. So we are truly an international community. And I want to thank these ladies for hosting this collaboration because it was really a lot of fun and it gave me the push I needed to kind of finish getting this entryway zhuzhed up for fall. So I will link all of their channels below so that you can check them out. And I will also link the playlist so that you can see what all the other creators have done as well. And if you like this video, I will also link my video where I did this particular decoration with the lantern, but then I also have a fall lantern centerpiece tutorial with Funky Bow and a fall tablescape with Funky Bow that you will find very interesting as well. So be sure and check those out. And my question for you is, what do you do to get your house ready for fall? Where do you start first? Tell me in the comment section below. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I've managed a home for more than 45 years, and I am a nurse by profession. So if you want to learn more about running a household, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I will see you in the next video.